Hey guys, it's Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And yeah, we sell trucks, we sell construction equipment, we sell classic cars, we sell all kinds of stuff here. So you may find all kinds of toys. But right now, today, this is the one we're looking at. That is a 2013 Ford F750. And you guys are going to like this. That is a 25999 GVW. That makes it non-CDL, kids. Absolutely perfect. It's got the nice little chrome front end on it there. Nice bumper. No one's managed to run into it yet. That's a good thing. Tires on it are really, really good. Super Duty. And it is a 2013. Under that hood is a fire-breathing 6.7 Cummins turbo diesel, and it's backed up by a 6-speed manual transmission. Clean, 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 and I'll get to that in a little bit, and I'll show you why it's so clean. But for right now, I want to finish showing you all the way here around here. So you got the rub strips, good place to tie to. It's got built-in flush mount tie downs everywhere, and a wood deck. And it was a flatbed, and somebody made their own homemade little stakes for it here. And yeah, I guess they're functional. If you wanted to just do a little bit of work with them, I think you'd make them into something pretty nice. Look at the meat on those tires. Holy mackerel, you talk about those things are like new. And Bridgestone, they're not even cheap ones. Hey, this has got a Maxon liftgate on back. That is a 2,500 pound GV lift capacity, and here's your switch for it right here. And yeah, it works and does everything it's supposed to do. And while I got that down, there's something you don't see every day. Get yourself a very nice little receiver trailer hitch right there. Don't usually see those very often on trucks with lift gates, but this one's got it, so you might as well use it, right? That's the way I look at it. I'm just going to set him back up right now so that A, you can see that it works, and B, I don't forget. It's got the little steel on the end right here, and it's got the wood right there. A couple of woods, maybe you might want to replace a couple of them, but they're not bad. They'll go a long ways yet, and she's tight. Good looking truck. 2013 model, so yep, it does take DEF. And I'm going to call that a 50-gallon fuel tank. I think I'll be pretty close on that. Interior is really nice. And of course, just like you know with us, we don't do stuff with rust. So there's not going to be any surprises there. Well, the air conditioning works and the radio works. So you got an AM/FM radio with Seek Scan, that's about it. Nice air conditioning unit, auxiliary switches there, 6-speed manual transmission and manual hydraulic brakes. It's got your cruise control right here, tilt wheel is right there, so it's nicely apportioned. And notice there's no check engine lights, we don't do that kind of stuff right there. And there's your mileage, 57,000 miles. There you go. That explains why this truck is in such nice shape. Nice. There's one little dimple right there. Looks like it's been repaired. Outside of that, this is a pretty straight truck. It's got the fold-down armrest on the seats right there. Nice. This is a decent truck. I like this truck. 2013. I believe that's going to end up being a 20-foot deck in back. And as I say, it is a 25999 GVW. Nice truck. Got good headache rack on it. That truck is ready to go. That's running. You can't even hardly hear it. I don't think you got to do a thing to that truck. Take it home, put it to work. So that's a 2013 F750 with a whole 57,000 miles on it. Cummins motor, 6-speed manual transmission, non-CDL. Got some homemade steaks on there. If you don't like them, they make a nice little thing to make a fire and do your s'mores with. Chrome front end, nice clean truck. Hey, if you can use that truck, you give me a call right away. My personal cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, I greatly appreciate you looking.